Welcome back. In this video, you learn how to code your data set. Some data set comes in string variables. For example, string variables are variables in letters. Some data set comes in letters. For example, if we have a data set on gender, it might be written as male, female, male, female. Once we import this on SPSS, you won't be able to run any analysis on it because SPSS would not take any string variable for analysis. So for you to do this, there are two basic ways. The first one is using the automatic recoding click, or you use the manual recoding click. Now we have data set here. On this data set, we are talking about factors influencing voters' registration in Nigeria. And many factors have been outlined. But from here, you see that the gender is in string variable. To confirm this, go to your variable view. Under your variable view, look at gender is a string variable because of the fact that they are written in letters: male, female, male, female. This can't be used in any analysis using SPSS. But for you to use this, you have to recode this. And how can you recode? Two options. The first one is the automatic recode. Automatic recode is only applicable on one condition, that there is no missing data sets. That is, the data set for all data sets in the column are complete, meaning that there is no missing empty cell. All the cells have values. Look at this data set, for example. All the cells have values. All the cells have values. The implication of this is that you can use automatic recode for this. Now, let's see. You go to transform icon, click on the transform icon, click on automatic recode. Then this comes up. We are recording gender. So click on gender, transfer it there, rename it. Let's call it new gender. New gender. You had. SPSS we ask if you want it to be from the lower value or the lowest value to the highest. If it depends on the alphabetical order, male, female. If you want it to be from the lowest to the highest, it will be female, male. If you want to be from the lowest to the highest, female, male. From the highest to lowest, male, female. Let's make it highest value. Then you click OK. You hold on. From the output window, it's very visible here that we have male coded as 1, female coded as 2. To confirm this, just go to the data editor window. In your data editor window, move to the last column. To see from this is the last column, male. So once you click on this, you notice that they have now been recorded automatically. So when conducting the analysis, you no longer use the gender, you are using the new gender because they now have categories that has been recorded automatically. However, this automatic recoding is not applicable for data sets that have missing values, that have empty cells. Let's see one here. If you can have a data set with empty cell. For example, look at this data set. On the level of quality governance, the question in this instrument asks if quality governance is one of the reasons why people register to vote. Then some people agree, some people strongly agree, some people strongly agree. We have that here. Now, If you want to have a kind of recoding, using automatic recode here, it's going to give us values that are more than what we have here. For example, if we want to recode automatically, let's just test this and see how the outcome will look like using automatic recode. Automatic recode, let's bring the quality of governance. Quality of governance. Let's call it QG. And let's see how it will be recorded automatically. From here, you see from the output window, here, see from the output window that we have an extra value which is 4. Sorry, it's going back. Which is 4. 4. Which is not coded at all. Run analysis using this will give us spurious results. So it's better for you to record manually if any of the variable or any of the cell in the variable is missing. Then how can you record manually? Just come to transform. There is record into different variables. Now not automatic record. Record into different variables. Click that. Then we have, let's go back to our quality governance. Quality governance. Quality governance. Now, a new name can be given. Let's call it Q Govern. Governance. Can leave it as Q Governance. Look at the old values. Now, under this, after clicking the old values, to bring up this, you have value, we have under one here to value. Then click system missing. Meaning, system missing implies that there are empty cells. Then come to this system missing. Then add. Automatically, SPSS comes up with a variable called missing systems that is added to it. That is that put into cognizance the missing cells. Then you can now continue. Then you can now say there are about 4 categories. Come back to value. Come back to value. Then the first category is strongly. Strongly. Agree. Let's go that 1. You had. The second one is agree. Call that 2. You had. Next one is disagree. Call that 3. You had. And the last one is strongly. Disagree. Order 4. You had. Then you continue. After you've done this, click OK. SPSS generates and record and all the variables as presented on the output results. But to confirm this, you can just go to can just go to the variable view, the data editor window, then go to the last column, because every newly recorded variable appears on the last column. Look at it here. Then we have governance now in numerical data, which is now you cannot use this for analysis, meaning that it has been transformed from what it was, which was a string variable, to a numerical variable. So in our next video, we'll be discussing on how to carry out analysis, descriptive analysis using these variables. See you then.